Welcome to Best Brains Quiz. Please subscribe. Today, let's find out how much you know about yourself. Which type of person are you? Let's find out. Which drink do you prefer? Coca-Cola or Pepsi? How do you like your eggs? Scrambled or fried? What's your go-to breakfast? Toast or cereal? Which flavor do you prefer? Chocolate or vanilla? How do you like your ice cream? Cone or cup? What's better for breakfast? Pancakes or waffles? What do you enjoy more? Tea or coffee? How do you eat pizza? With hands or with fork? Which meal do you prefer? Rice or pasta? What's your snack vibe? Chips or cookies? What's more fun? Beach or mountains? Where do you feel best? Indoors or outdoors? When do you thrive? Morning or night? What weather do you prefer? Rainy or sunny? Where do you prefer to shop? Online or in store? Plain seat choice, window seat or aisle seat? What's more exciting, road trip or flight? Desk style, clean desk or cluttered genius? Communication style, phone call or text? Movie night pick, comedy or action? Streaming favorite, Netflix or YouTube? Game night favorite, board games or video games? Music preference, pop or hip hop? Go-to footwear, sneaker or sandals? What's comfier, jeans or joggers? Sleepwear, pajamas or t-shirt? Alarm habit, one alarm or multiple snoozes? Work style, early starter or last-minute hero? Fries dip, ketchup or mayo? Screen mode, light mode or dark mode. Water temperature, cold or room temperature. Reading format, e-book or physical book. Typing style, index fingers or all fingers. Music order, shuffle or playlist order. Watch style, digital or analog. Browser choice, Chrome or Safari. Note-taking, typed or handwritten. Wallet style, digital or cash. Favorite carb, bread or noodles. Breakfast drink, coffee or juice. Preferred ride, bike or car. Dessert pick, ice cream or cake. Pet preference, cat or dog. Vacation mood, adventure or relaxation. Chicken preference, with skin or no skin. Alone time or social time, alone or with people. Concert vibe, front row or back chill. Cleaning style, daily tidy or weekly clean. Phone orientation, portrait or landscape. Scent style, perfume or deodorant. Thanks for watching. Drop in the comment at least one type of person you are. Please like, share, and subscribe.